Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, and we are having a Dollar General clearance event this weekend, which is August the 4th, 5th, and 6th. Items that are in the clearance section an extra 50% off, and that's what we're specifically looking at in this video. Just to go through some things, it is in-store only. You can't order this stuff through the app and drive up and expect to get it. You got to go in store and look for it. Definitely scout your Dollar General, see what they have. And the fun starts on Friday, and that's usually when people really hit the store hard, is Friday. If you're going to go later in the weekend, you might not find the stuff. And as the week progresses, double, triple check if we have more digital coupons. Definitely set a budget, and the best place to do your shopping is at non-updated stores where you're going to get a bit of overage. At updated stores where you get 3 receipts, the self-checkout, you get that looking of the receipt where it's 3. It's where they do not have a keypad at checkout and everything's touchscreen. That is an updated store, and you will not get overage. You're just going to get the items for free. And if your cashier is behind something like this and he or she is just pressing the screen, that is an updated store, just to explain that. Now, my question for the CEO of Dollar General, Mr. Jeff Owens, is why are we having another clearance event in August? Because typically we have 4 a year. So here's my thoughts. And just to nerd out for a second, we had one in March, May, June. August is the 4th one, and they typically only give us 4 a year. Is this the last one? And what's going to happen with Columbus Day's usual clearance event? Is that not a go? What is going on? Are you guys curious too? Because I certainly am. Like, Jeff, what's going on? Are you watching my video, Jeff? Well, Jeff and crew, if you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me out. Just take a second and like this video. It took 2 days to put together, and there's a lot of information. Jumping right into it, one thing we're not also going to touch in this video is POG, which are these orange stickers, planogram. If you want a planogram video, please give this video a thumbs up. If I get 2,000 by Thursday, I will make a POG video. So as the week gets closer to Friday, you're going to start seeing displays at the front of the store of clearance merchandise and little signs saying 50% off this weekend. They try to make it as subtle as a punch in the nose, and you're going to see it all over the store, just so shoppers know, like, oh my gosh, it's happening. What is the value of this? Well, getting a table of items like this for like $30, it's totally worth your time, and this video will get you prepared for the event. Let's have a pop quiz. So Friday morning around 5 a.m. Eastern time, an item that's $1 on clearance will be 50 cents in the app if you open up the app and scan the barcode or punch in the barcode. It's usually 5 a.m. Friday. For example, this Cadbury candy bar, it's $2.20. On Friday, it'll be $1.10. And if you want to scan this in the app, punch in the UPC, you can figure out quickly, like, is my store having the event? Yes or no? There it is. And I recommend for you to scout your store to see if this is in fact worth your time this weekend. Okay, so the first wave of products that we're going to look at are household. We're going through this quick. So the first item is this Swiffer XL. We have a $3 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $5.32 for a product that's like super expensive. You get this kit, a little something called Magic, I think. Now, Febreze gave us some very generous $2.30 coupons. So this guy would be free at an updated store or free and 27 cents of overage at a non-updated store. Pay attention to that. Also, we have the small spaces, free at an updated store, free and 95 cents of overage at a non-updated store. One item that I'm still finding at a lot of stores are the Mr. Clean Magic, the sheets, a newer product. I guess they're discontinuing it. So it's $1.20. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, dropping it down to 70 cents. And there's also $1 off too, but I think it'll be a harder item to find at most stores. So if you can find one, 70 cents is a really good price point. And the Tide for $9.67. If you remember at the beginning of the video, I was like, look for more coupons as the week progresses. This is an item, hopefully we have a coupon by Friday. And for this guy too at $5.82, man, that is a rich price point for these unstoppable beads. So hopefully we have a digital coupon to go with that because it's kind of rich for my taste. We have the Suavitel dryer sheets for $3.25. No digital coupon for that. And then we have a couple cleaning products, including the Fantastic for $1.47. That is a really good stock up price for a meat and potato product. And the scrubbing bubbles for $1.75. Next three products that we're going to look at are going to be involving this $1 off 2 Lysol coupon. So make sure that you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of these sprays, it'll be $5.75 for the 2. And it's some sort of fabric disinfectant spray. Looks interesting. The wipes would be $2.15 for the 2 with that $1 off 2 coupon. Hopefully you can track down 2 of them. And then the Lysol, this is an antibacterial laundry refresher, $4.85 for the 2. Kind of expensive, but if it's your thing, great price point. The Chloralin is $1.35. It's just a cleaner with bleach. I actually like this cleaner quite a bit. And the True Living, which is a Dollar General brand, $1.67 for this bathroom cleaner. And the Fabuloso, we have a 25-cent digital coupon. So this would drop this product down to $1.32. And then we have some Glade carpet. It's a refresher sort of a thing, also at the same price point of $1.32. The Ariel powdered detergent for $2.70, not a bad price point, and that's a large heaping bag. And the Microban 24 for $2.70. Cascade powder for $2.25. This has been in the clearance section at my store for like 10 years. Nobody wants it. Maybe they'll give us a digital coupon. And then the Finish for $2.92. Double, triple check IBOTTA if there might be some rebates for a lot of these products without coupons. Maybe you can make something better happen. Okay, so the next 2 deals we're looking at using this digital coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. So $4.30 for the disinfectant spray, and for the fabric softener, fabric spray sanitizer. My God, tongue twister. $2.70 for the 2, or like $1.35 per. This duster with a really long wand for $5.40. Dusting. And we have this Airwick Pure for $2.25. Unfortunately, there are no Airwick digital coupons right now, so maybe this weekend some will appear. This oil for $2.25. I love it when we have the $1.50 coupon, but I'm not seeing it right now, so $2.25. And Febreze, this plug for $2.45. There's also a strawberry scented one as well. The Airwick, this double pack for $3.25. I think Shop Me and might have $2 back, so it would drop it down to $1.25. And these Scotch Bright, it's like a toilet bowl scrubber for $1.67. I think that would be a pretty good stock up price. And Ziploc, 150 sandwich bags for $3.12. Now we're going to look at beauty products. The first is the Olay. If you could track these down, they're still popping up at some of my stores. It's free at an updated store, free and 92 cents of overage with the $4 coupon at non-updated stores. The Bic Razor with the $3 digital, either free at updated stores or free and 57 cents of overage at non-updated stores. The Flintstone Gummies with the $1.50 digital is $1.65. So, for your little ones, that's a great price point. The Old Spice, this dry spray with the 75-cent digital is $2.50. And then for a pair of these Aussie shampoos with the 2 off 2 digital, it's going to be $2.50 for the 2 or $1.25 per styler. And the Tresemme automatic savings, it would drop this down to $3.25 for the 2. You have to buy them in sets of 2 for the $2 of instant savings. Hydroxy Cut for $2.92, so you're cutting your savings right there. Sorry, I had to include a stupid pun. And the Gold Bond, sorry, that's really out of focus, guys. $3.92, and this is like, I believe, a 14-ounce bottle, so quite large. The Suave, these 2-pack of the bar soap for 37 cents. Last time that wasn't ringing up properly, so keep an eye on that. We have this diabetic lotion for $2.70. $2.70 for diabetic lotion. That is a stock-up price, especially if you have to care for your feet. And the Asper Cream, is $3.75. I don't know if one of the rebate apps has a rebate for that. And the Poise 1 for $3.47. I did check IBOTTA. Unfortunately, this product does not qualify. And the Always Thin for $2.92. As the week unfolds, I really hope that we get better digital coupons. Revlon for $1.62. If you know the price of hair dye and how much that one product has like tripled in price, this is a very good stock up price. And the Jergens body wash, a couple different flavors for $2.67. We have another Vaseline product. This is a smaller 3.4 ounce bottle for $1.92. I think possibly a really great one to throw in your purse. And baby stuff. We have a 48 count diapers for $3, and then the Loves that was on clearance the last event for $15 and some change should be $7.87 starting on Friday. Unfortunately, we don't have any digitals to go with. And then these little like wellness waters for children or babies, $2.70 or $3.02. And the final chapter of this saga is food. We have the Atkins bars for $3.37, and I think there's 5 or 6 for this box, so not bad for low-carb dieters. On the opposite end, the Jolly Rancher hard candy, definitely not low-carb, for $1, so double, triple check expiry dates too. We have this smaller Frosted Flake cereal for 45 cents, just a good price point to stock up on some cheap food. We have these breakfast crackers for $1.97. My mom's a diabetic too, and she loves to throw these in her purse. And then we have these little, you just put it into a drink with the water in the summertime, 45 cents or $1.50. Sorry, my Snapple barcode was completely out of focus. My favorite, this candy bar for $1.10. I would buy all of them if I wasn't, a keto dieter. And the final item, lots of dog food. This one included for $2.67. Are you participating this Friday in the Dollar General clearance event? In the comments, let me know. And are you as excited about the deals this go around? I think it's going to be a fantastic weekend of deals and clearance. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we're going to catch you in the next one. Bye.